Hi, welcome to Vijaybhoomi University, where academic excellence meets a good and vibrant campus life. So join me, let us explore what good we have in this university and what makes it a unique place to grow, learn and thrive. At Vijaybhoomi, we pride ourselves in offering top-tier level education with a personal touch. Staying at VU is not about academics, it is more than that. Let's see what we have on our campus. From modern digital libraries to cutting-edge labs, we have everything to support your educational journey. And for those who has a passion for extraordinary activities, we have got a good gym, we have basketball arena, a half Olympic sized swimming pool, squash court, and of course, the horse riding. Our amphitheater and auditorium host in-house performances, and we even screen the latest movies. We even provide golf carts for short travel within the campus. And we have university bus shuttle service from campus to Karjat and back. And these are the hostel accommodation. Behind the hostel accommodation, you can see a nice view. So this is the room. It is fully air conditioned and to be occupied by 4 persons. And how could we forget the Sodexos? They support our dining in the campus and enhance our taste buds with exotic dishes. And many more surprises for you. We can't wait to meet you and to show you what Vijaybhoomi University has to offer.